All right, today we're going to dive into a tool that just might be one of the most powerful AIs you're not actually using it. Google's NotebookLM. It's been flying way under the radar, but trust me, that's all about to change. If you ask anyone who's really in the know, you hear this all the time. A lot of people have heard of NotebookLM, but very, very few get what it's truly capable of. It's a genuine hidden gem. See, most people treat it like a simple chatbot for their documents, but that's kind of like using a supercomputer to play tic-tac-toe. Its real power, well, it goes so much deeper. So in this explainer, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to unlock the 4 levels of mastery that will take NotebookLM from just a simple tool into your very own customized expert on, well, pretty much anything. Okay, so first things first, we have to understand what makes this thing so different. This is not just another ChatGPT clone. Nope. It's built on a completely different philosophy. And this is the absolute game changer. Your standard chatbots, they pull answers from the entire messy, chaotic internet. That's why they so often just make stuff up, what we call hallucinations. NotebookLM is different. It's grounded, and that's the key word, only in the sources you give it. Every single answer is tied directly back to your documents with a citation, which makes it totally trustworthy and verifiable. So, once you've built up your knowledge base with your sources, this is where the real magic starts. NotebookLM isn't just for asking questions. It's an unbelievably powerful content creation engine. And the workflow? It's brilliantly simple. First, you upload your sources. Could be research papers, video transcripts, whatever you've got. Then, you just chat with them to pull out the key ideas. And then, with literally a single click, you can generate a whole universe of different content. And I mean, look at this. The variety is just wild. You can get a podcast-style audio summary with 2 hosts debating your topic. You can get interactive videos, mind maps, and even these beautiful infographics and slide decks. And get this, the creative control you have is on another level. You're not just getting some boring, generic template. You can ask for really specific artistic styles. For instance, a user asked for a slide deck that felt like Blade Runner meets data visualization, and this is what it came up with. It's just insane. Okay. Now we're really leveling up. This is where we get into the expert level stuff. This is about more than just generating content. It's about customizing the actual personality and the thought process of your AI. Just imagine this for a second. Instead of getting generic summaries, what if you could teach NotebookLM to explain concepts in the exact way your brain works, whether that's with visual analogies, super simple language, or really deep technical detail? And how do you do it? It's simple. You give it a custom role. With a prompt just like this one, you've transformed NotebookLM from a research tool into a personalized tutor that not only explains things perfectly for you, but it also quizzes you to make sure you actually got it. Okay, here's a serious power user move. It's a technique called information alchemy. See, NotebookLM has a limit on how many sources you can upload, but to get around it, you can ask it to synthesize, let's say 50 of your sources, into one big comprehensive summary. Then you save that summary as a new source. Boom! You've just compressed 50 documents into one, letting you build a massive expert-level knowledge base that goes way beyond what the tool was even designed for. All right, let's just pause for a second. We've gone from a research assistant to a content studio to a custom-tuned genius. Now it's time for the final and most powerful step, turning NotebookLM into a fully automated engine that does the work for you, even when you're not looking. This final level of mastery is all about connecting NotebookLM to the world of automation. Think of it like this. NotebookLM is the brain. It holds and understands all of your information, but a brain needs a body to actually go out and build things, right? And for that, we connect it to another really powerful Google platform. That platform is called Anti-Gravity. It's basically a tool that can build software, create AI apps, or generate interactive dashboards for you. So by connecting it to your NotebookLM knowledge base, you're giving your brain a body to create these incredible custom applications, all fueled by your own hand-picked information. So what does that actually look like in the real world? Here's a killer example. A transcript from a new client meeting gets automatically added to a notebook. The system instantly identifies the key topics, and NotebookLM starts researching the client's competitors. Then, Anti-Gravity automatically builds a beautiful, interactive dashboard with all those new insights so it's ready for your next meeting. This isn't science fiction, people. This is possible right now.
So, let's just recap the journey we've been on. We started with a simple research assistant. Then we unlocked its power as a content studio. We fine-tuned it into a personal genius. And finally, we connected it to the world of automation, creating a proactive, automated knowledge engine.
It is an incredibly powerful evolution. You now literally have the framework to build an expert on any topic you can possibly imagine. So, the only question left is, what will you build?